In the last video, you learned prompt engineering basics. And if you actually tried those ideas, you probably noticed something interesting. The quality of AI answers suddenly became better. Now imagine this. Professionals are not using AI randomly at all. They use advanced prompting techniques that guide the AI step by step. In this video, we will understand 3 powerful techniques used by professionals: role prompting, few-shot prompting, and chain-of-thought prompting. No scary terms. No technical fear. Just simple ideas with real examples. Let us first understand why advanced prompting even exists. AI is powerful, but it is still a prediction system. The more guidance you give, the better it performs. Advanced prompting is not about tricks. It is about reducing confusion for the model. Think of AI like a very fast intern. Smart, but it needs direction. Now let us start with role prompting. Role prompting means telling the AI who it should act as. By default, AI has no profession, no mindset, and no personality. So it gives generic answers. Role prompting fixes this problem. For example, if you simply ask, "Explain data structures," the answer will be average. But if you say, "Act as a computer science professor and explain data structures to a beginner," the tone immediately changes. The explanation becomes more structured and the language becomes simpler. This happens because you gave the AI a clear lens to respond from. Role prompting is used everywhere in real life. People use prompts like "Act as a career counselor and review my resume," "Act as a senior software engineer and review my code," or "Act as a teacher and explain this topic simply." Professionals use role prompts daily. One important tip here is not to overcomplicate roles. You do not need fancy descriptions. Simple roles work best. Act as a teacher. Act as a developer. Act as a hiring manager. Keep it simple and clear. Now let us move to the second technique called few-shot prompting. Few-shot prompting means teaching the AI by showing examples instead of only giving instructions. Humans learn this way too. If you only say "Write a professional email," the AI has to guess your style. But if you show examples, the AI understands much faster. For example, you show one email format, then another similar email, and then ask the AI to write a new one. Now the AI understands tone, structure, and language clearly. Few-shot prompting is extremely useful when consistency matters. It is commonly used for writing emails, formatting answers, coding patterns, interview responses, and content generation. If you want predictable output, show examples. Now let us talk about chain-of-thought prompting. Do not be scared by the name. Chain of thought simply means asking the AI to think step by step. By default, AI sometimes jumps directly to conclusions. But when you ask it to explain step by step, it slows down and becomes more accurate. For example, instead of asking whether an algorithm is efficient, you ask the AI to analyze the algorithm step by step and explain its efficiency in simple terms. The result becomes clearer and more reliable. You can think of this like solving a problem yourself. If you jump to the final answer, mistakes happen. If you solve it step by step, errors reduce. The same logic applies here. Chain of thought prompting is especially useful for problem solving, debugging code, logical questions, decision analysis, and comparisons. You do not need fancy language. Just say "Explain step by step," show your reasoning, or break it down. Now comes the real power. Professionals often combine all 3 techniques together. For example, they may ask the AI to act as a senior software engineer, give a couple of examples of clean code, and then ask it to analyze code step by step and suggest improvements. This single prompt sets the role, shows examples, and encourages stepwise thinking. The quality of output improves dramatically. One common mistake beginners make is trying to use all techniques for every small task. Remember this simple rule. Simple task needs a simple prompt. Complex task needs advanced prompting. Do not overprompt when it is not required. Let us summarize everything clearly. Role prompting sets the perspective. Few-shot prompting teaches by example. Chain of thought improves reasoning. These are not hacks. They are communication skills. If you learn these techniques, you will start using AI like a professional. In the next video, we will move to real-life usage. How generative AI is used in actual jobs by developers, analysts, students, and companies. This is where everything comes together.